Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I did a Afro Kinky twist look and I went for some like medium size twists for my hair. I used the Afro Kinky bulk hair that I will be showing you guys in a clip in the video, and I also use the rubber band method to hold my hair into place, and then I use my crochet tool to attach the Afro Kinky hair under my rubber band. So I will show you guys all of that in the video. But while I have you here, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe and click that bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay guys, so let's get into the hair tutorial. So hi again, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the hair that I am using to achieve this style today. So to achieve this style today, I'm going in with the Afro Kinky bulk hair, and I am using the colors number 1 as well as number 1B. As you guys can see, I already started doing my hair already. So what I'm doing is I am mixing both colors together to kind of, you know, get that natural vibe. And I also like kept the hair like towards medium to large sizes. I didn't want to go in small, so some parts are like medium, and then towards when I go towards the top I started like doubling up the strands, but I'll show you guys that. Okay, so I already did the back. I already pre-parted my hair, and today guys I am doing the rubber band method on my hair. So as you guys can see, I already like pre-sectioned, but I left a part out just to show you guys what I did and so on. So I did do my hair. I did part out my hair in box partings. I found that this is the easiest way for me to part my hair, to like do that brick layering method so that the hair can fall in between each other. So I pre-parted this section right here. I'm gonna go in with my Let's Jam. I have my rubber band here. So I saw this method here on YouTube where you get your rubber bands, you put it in a container, you grab your oil. I'm using the Carrier Tea Tree Oil Therapy. It's a body and hair and scalp oil. Just put in a little bit on it, not too much. And then I just like massage the elastic bands into that oil. This helps to like prevent your hair from snapping when you're putting the rubber band on, because you know that the rubber band can be a bit harsh on your natural hair, and we don't want to create any excessive breakage. So we use this oil to kind of like protect our hair. So that's what I did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and neaten up my parting some more. I'm gonna take the edge wax, put that like right in my pre-parts, and then I'd part that again. And this kind of like gives you a professional look, though it's not being done professionally, guys. Like this makes your part look super clean. Again, I'm using the jam and I'm basing my parting around the perimeter of my hair, just so you can like look really smooth. There's no flyaways much. Alright, once that's done, I'm kind of like twisting my hair just a little bit to like grab all my hairs together. And I go with my rubber band. Okay, so now time for the fun part. So this is what the hair looks like out of the packaging, guys. It's like in this hair net, so it keeps the hair together, but they come like with elastic bands on them already. So I take one from the number 1, one from the 1B, and I put them together and I twist that on my hair. And we will be doing the crochet method as well, guys. So I'm doing the rubber band method to hold my hair into place. So once I put those two hairs together, I kind of like stretch it a little bit so it can have some length. I'm now going to take my crochet tool. I'm going to push it under the elastic band. Get my hair, give it a little twist. Put that on the hook. Close the latch and pull it through. I'm going to hold one part of the hair and pull the other part through. Alright, so once that is in, I'm going to take my hair and like secure the elastic down some more so that the root is not too loose when I start twisting. This method is like the best method for persons who have a hard time gripping their hair. Like when you're starting to twist your hair and you have a hard time gripping, using the elastic band or even braiding your hair down halfway and then using the crochet tool to attach the hair to your hair using the crochet method. It's an easy way to start twisting. So I have my Eco Styler gel here and it's in the argan oil, and I use this to help me twist the hair down. I already like split my natural hair in two so that you have even parts on one side. So you will have your hair like this. I'm gonna take that gel and rub it down one side, then the other. Ensure that the root is secure so it's not too loose. The Afro Kinky here, it has a curl pattern, so I kind of like feel out how the pattern is going first. So I start twisting in one direction. Once I realize that it's not twisting naturally and falling into the pattern, I stop and I twist it in the other way. So now I'm just twisting towards the back with this one. I'm gonna stop a little bit, see if it looks okay. It looks okay. And I continue twisting. Adding more gel. And when I add more gel, it also helps my hair to blend better with the Afro Kinky bulk hair. Don't mind the white residue here, it will eventually absorb into the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that one more time, taking a 1B and a number 1 color. So this is what the hair is looking like so far. It is super natural looking. Love how kinky it looks like. It looks like it's my hair that I twisted up. Yes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and trim up the ends because they're looking real stringy right now. I'm not liking how that is looking. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on my edges. Alright, so for my edges, I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel as well as the Got to Be Glued spray. Okay, so I laid down my edges and I tied it down with my kerchief, so I'll be back with the final reviews, guys. Okay guys, so just to like finish up this hair look, I'm gonna go in with my Olive Miracle Growth Sheen and just spray my hair. I think I want to like style this here, so I'm just gonna like bring this over and like twist. I'm gonna take a rubber band and hold this into place. Hopefully it stays right here. Same thing with the back. Just gonna like gather it up. So I'm gathering the back and I'm twisting it upward. Alright, so I have all this hair up here. I'm gonna take my hairpins to kind of like hold the hair into place. I've got lots of hairpins in this right here. I don't want to use these. Ooh, yes. I'm liking this little side do here. Okay guys, so this is the final results for the hair. Really liking this little side do that I came up with. If you want to go ahead and add your hair accessories, you can do so, but I'm not going to do that today. So this is what I'm working with. Bye.